Hi, I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org, and today we are evaluating the freezing point of alcohol. We are using Christian Kids Explore Chemistry by Bright Ideas Press, and we are enjoying our elementary level chemistry experiments. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to get 3 containers. One container is going to be labeled water only. Another container is going to be labeled 70% alcohol, and then the next one is water and alcohol, so 50-50 one. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get 100 milliliters of water. So go ahead and pour that into this one. Okay, now the second one is 100% alcohol. So rubbing alcohol is isopropyl alcohol, and we will put that and we will measure exactly 100 milliliters and put it into that middle one. Okay, and now the third one, we are going to put 50 milliliters of water. Okay, go ahead and put that in, and 50 milliliters of alcohol, and we are going to be putting these into the freezer to see which ones will freeze first. Okay, so put half and half. Okay, we'll swirl that one together. All right. Okay, now you will also want lids for each of these Tupperwares. You will want a lid on it so that it does not evaporate into the refrigerator, because alcohol evaporates very quickly and you don't want it to be gone. You want to see what happens and how fast the water freezes, whether it's the alcohol by itself, the water by itself, or the 50-50 mixture. So take a look at what happens when you freeze these 3 liquids. So put them into the freezer and then check back in 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and we are taking the alcohol things out. Here is the water only container, which is frozen, pretty solid. Here is the half and half water and alcohol, and as you can see inside of there, it is frozen on the bottom but watery on the top. And here we have alcohol, pure alcohol, which is liquid completely, and so alcohol definitely has a lower freezing point than water does. It has now been 24 hours since we have had the water, alcohol, and 50% alcohol and water in the freezer. So we are opening the freezer and we are taking out these 3 things. This one is the water, and it is frozen solid. That's water only. This is half water and half ice, and still it's kind of like shaved ice. You see that? Okay, and then the last one is pure 70% isopropyl alcohol, and it is still not ice. So alcohol cannot solidify in the freezer, and the freezer is -3 degrees Fahrenheit, so it will not freeze under those conditions. So its freezing point is different than that of water, and it takes a lower freezing point in order to freeze. I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org. Thanks for watching.